Hi guys, thank you so much for joining in and sticking with me for this long. And yeah, it took me like 2 months to really figure out what I really wanted to do, and I hope that I will be consistent and provide you the valuable content as much as I can. Today in this video you will learn how to make perfect Instagram bio so that your followers will be clear on what you stand for and what are your services. So for me, Instagram bio is not just 150 characters but also from top to bottom. So what does that mean? Top means profile picture. Now let's talk about the profile picture, guys. So I think your profile picture is the first impression whenever any people see that profile. That's why your profile needs to stand out from the thousands of users. I would suggest you to use your picture, and you can use your brand color as your background color, but what you have to be really careful is that you shouldn't be blending with that background. You know what I mean? You can wear something vibrant color, or you can use vibrant color as your background color. That's how your profile will be standing out. Another thing is, if you are in an organization or it's an agency account, then you can simply use some logo that represents your brand better. Number 2 is category. So the Instagram category is the given features by the Instagram. You can choose something that describes you. Like if you are a business coach, you can write business coach, entrepreneur, or like you are in food. If you are a food blogger, you are a dermatologist, or you are in a fitness or a beauty industry, you can simply write the label. And if you don't like, you can always, it's so easy to remove that. And if you put that category, it will be very easy for your audiences to know you better and know what you are and what you provide. Number 3 is name. So name is so crucial, guys, because you know Instagram is a SEO friendly platform. So what does that mean? You have to think whenever you write your name, what are your niche and what your audiences will be searching under that niche. So you have to think, if your audiences are searching for like business coach, then your profile needs to come at first so that they will see and click your profile. That's why you need to always write your name business coach dash and your name, or your name dash or business coach. Or if you are in a fitness industry, fitness and health, or fitness, or like if you are in dermatologist and your name. That way it will be high chances that your profile is going to rank on top whenever your clients, your audiences are searching. Number 4 is actual Instagram bio. That is 150 characters only. Here you can write only the things, your services, about your brand and how your brand is unique than the other, only at 150 characters. So it all comes in like niching down, narrowing down your part, and maybe I can make another video where I can make in a elaborated form. If you want that video, then you can comment down and let me know. In this bio section, what you need to focus is that you need to write what your brand stands for, what are your services, what problems are you going to solve, and who are your targeted audience, and how you are unique from other industry. Number 5 is link in bio. So what is link in bio is, you can put a link from where you can drive those traffic into another social media or another platform, that wherever you want. It is so crucial, guys. Most of the conversions happens here. Let's suppose you want to drive traffic to the other accounts and you have multiple other social media platforms that you want your audiences to see. So what you can do is use a link tree. You can easily sign up there and you can make a link tree, and you can collect all of your links over there and put and after that you will get a single link, and that link you can put on the Instagram link. If you have freebies, then you can just simply say in the link that freebies are here or something offers are going on, and then that will be the best way to persuade people to click that link, and you will be easily build the email list. Number 6 is story highlights. So as you guys already know, Instagram stories only stays for 24 hours. That's why Instagram has given this feature of Instagram story highlights, where you can put your stories, your old stories or your future stories on your profile. So story highlights stays forever, and you can put anything over there, stories, videos, images. That way it will be easier for your audiences to know your brand and know you in a better way. You can even change this story highlights cover, something that represents your brand or something that you like. You can make using the Canva free tool or like Photoshop, Illustrator or any other editing software which are also free. And another thing is you can also change the story highlights name, which you can rename, like if you have like master classes or like freebies or like travel journey or like pets, family, you can just rename it and make it like section, like as a folder. That's a perfect way to organize your stories, which stays forever in your profile. And if new user or new audiences come and visit to your profile, they will just have the idea what you are, what you like, what are your preferences, what are your services. So yeah, you can utilize story highlights properly. So that's all for today, guys. These are the 6 tips that you can make your perfect Instagram bio. So let me revise it again. So the first is profile picture. Your first impression is your profile picture. The second is category. You can choose anything that best suits you. And the third one is name, make it like in SEO friendly way. And the fourth one is the actual bio, 150 characters. And the fifth one is link in bio. You can use Linktree to put all of the links together and make one link. And the sixth one is your story highlights, to organize it and make your audiences know you better and your brand better. Yeah, I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.